Welcome to the ultimate travel bucket list, 5 unique hotels. Yo, it's Tanya. We're diving into something special. Forget cookie cutter rooms and predictable stays. From ice castles to giraffes, sanctuaries, these hotels redefine the meaning of a roof over your head. Buckle up, smash that like button, and get ready to be amazed by 5 mind-blowing hotels around the world. First up, we're heading north to Sweden. Imagine standing in a hotel sculpted entirely from ice and snow. That's the Ice Hotel in Jukkasjärvi. Wander through icy art galleries by day and cozy up in reindeer furs by night. And in the morning, a steaming cup of hot lingonberry tea awaits. Trust me, there's nothing quite like it. Next, we're jetting off to Kenya, to a place where you can have breakfast with giraffes. Yes, you heard that right, breakfast with giraffes. Giraffe Manor, just outside Nairobi, is like stepping into a fairy tale. This unique hotel offers an experience unlike any other. You're enjoying your morning coffee and a giraffe's head pops through the window. It's a surreal moment that feels straight out of a storybook. The manor itself is a luxurious time capsule with 12 suites dripping in history and elegance. Each room tells a story of its own, blending classic charm with modern comfort. Can you really put a price on sharing your breakfast with a giraffe? I didn't think so. It's an experience that money can't quite quantify. Book way in advance because this place is so popular. It's basically the Beyoncé of hotels. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on this extraordinary adventure. Now, if you're an ocean lover, hold on to your snorkel gear because we're diving into the Manta Resort off the coast of Tanzania. Imagine waking up to the gentle lapping of waves and colorful fish swimming past your window. At the Manta Resort, you sleep submerged in Indian Ocean. This luxurious 3-tiered private island offers a sun deck, a lounge area, and an underwater bedroom. Talk about a room with a view. From the ocean depths where mysteries lie hidden beneath the waves, we're time traveling to the heart of Provence, France, to the La Mirande, a place where history comes alive. This isn't just a hotel, it's a portal to the past, a gateway to another era. Housed in a meticulously restored 18th century mansion, it's like stepping into a living history book. Imagine antique furniture, original artwork, and authentic Provençal cuisine that tantalizes your taste buds. The real magic of the La Mirande is its ability to transport you back in time, making you feel like a part of history. It's the perfect place to unwind, relax, and soak in the luxurious ambiance, and maybe even learn a thing or two about French history, enriching your stay with knowledge and wonder. Last but not least, we're ending our adventure in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil, at the legendary Bell and Copacabana Palace, a place where history and luxury intertwine seamlessly. This isn't just a hotel, it's an icon, a symbol of elegance and sophistication that has stood the test of time. Since the Roaring Twenties, this grand dame has been hosting everyone from Hollywood royalty to actual royalty, making it a favorite among the elite. Breathtaking ocean views, a rooftop pool, and impeccable service await every guest, ensuring a stay that is both relaxing and memorable. Step outside and you're just steps away from the legendary Copacabana beach and the vibrant heart of Rio, where the city's energy is palpable. This is the ultimate destination for travelers who want it all: luxury, culture, and an unforgettable experience that will linger in their memories long after they've left. So there you have it, 5 hotels that prove that where you stay can be just as incredible as where you go. Which one of these incredible destinations would you pack your bags for? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel adventures, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.